And I'm bored. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Let's go to the vending machine. Oh yeah. Vending machine food is the best. Better than the rest. Ooh, what do you think we should get?
I don't know. I like Skittles.
Skittles are the best. Man. I couldn't live with... Do you see that?
Do you?
It's like right there. Inside the vending machine. No. Creepy.
It's like on the Skittles.
Here.
I'm trying to like steal my Skittles.
Those are our... Oh my gosh. There's a Pixi in there. Oh, well, I don't know. I saw a little thing. Maybe this is like one of those weird game show things or weird TV shows. Fun. Let's go try to break the fairy out. Come on, fairy. Fairy. Ooh. Wait. Try typing in the fairy number. What is it? 40. Okay then. Let's go look for something else.
Let's try to break
I don't think I hear it. Is it dead? Is it dead?
I still see it there.
I can't hear it. It's no use. We can't get the fairy out of the machine. I'm so sad.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Is that the fairy there?
Let's go check. How did that little thing get in here?
That's the fairy. Or the Pixi, or whatever it's called.
Wait a minute. It's moving. It's moving. What the heck? It was just right there. It is. Little. What were you thinking?
Suckers, I wasn't trapped. I just wanted candy.
Well, thanks for watching. One last thing. Your socks are sort of on fire. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Bye. If you want to see more socks on fire, subscribe now. Yeah, you know you want to. Fire sock.